Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can change sound input uh, for screen recordings on Motorola G15 Power. So all you gotta do is double pull from the top of the screen to the bottom and search for the screen record icon. For me it is located right here, but it may obviously vary on your device. After you found it, just simply press it, and here you can choose where you would like to record your audio from. It can be your device, your microphone, or both of them, or none of them, and the video is going to be mute. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.